Welcome to Powerviz. Let's explore top 5 features of the Powerviz Ridgeline Plot, a unique and space-saving visual that helps you compare distributions and spot trends across multiple categories. With its smooth, overlapping layers, it brings clarity and elegance to time series or continuous data. Let's explore its top 5 powerful features. Customize the ridgeline area, stroke, and markers with ease. Choose from natural, linear, or step curves to match the story you want to tell, all in just a few clicks. Fine-tune the overlap and scale of the ridges to control height and spacing. Whether you want tight layers or distinct peaks, the choice is yours, perfect for spotting outliers and comparing density. Highlight the highest point in each ridge using the mode line feature. Add reference lines on the X or Y axis to guide your analysis or draw attention to key data points. Bring visual depth with built-in fill patterns or upload your own designs. Choose from over 30 color palettes, including colorblind safe options, and apply conditional formatting to make your visuals pop. Save time and maintain consistency across reports by exporting and importing themes with the built-in JSON feature, perfect for teams and enterprise reporting. With the Powerviz Ridgeline Plot, you're not just saving space, you're making your insights more readable, engaging, and impactful. Try it today and reimagine how you present distributions in Power BI. Download from Microsoft App Store or our website powerviz.ai today.